Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the bike off and removing any keys or app locks so no voltage flows. This prevents sparks. Next, put the bike on a stable stand and note battery orientation and the locking latch. Take a photo if needed. With anti-static gloves on, lay out a 4 mm Allen, a flat pry, and a cloth. Now locate the battery housing, release the safety catch, and unclip the protective cover. These first actions expose the battery without forcing anything, so you avoid damage. Once the cover is off, remove the 1 or 2 retaining bolts with controlled force and set them aside in order. Organization prevents mistakes later. Then locate the main power connector. Press the release tab and pull straight, not at an angle, to avoid bending pins. With the connector free, support the battery's weight with one hand while sliding it backward along its guide rails. Once the rails clear, lift straight upward to disengage the contacts. Make sure wires aren't snagged before fully extracting the pack. After removal, inspect the terminals for dirt or corrosion and cover exposed contacts with the supplied cap or a clean cloth to prevent shorts. Store the battery upright in a cool, dry place at about 40 to 60% charge for long-term safety. Reinstalling is the reverse. Align rails, push straight, reconnect, then tighten bolts. If the pack won't come free, don't force it. Check for hidden screws, a secondary latch, or a recessed lock. If stuck despite that, consult the manual or a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.